Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread in Minecraft. To begin, you will need to gather 3 pieces of wheat. You can find wheat growing naturally in Plains biomass, or you can plant seeds to grow your own. Each mature wheat plant will give you 1 wheat item when harvested. Look for the tall, golden stalks ready for collection. Once you have collected your 3 wheat items, it is time to craft them into delicious bread. Open your crafting table or your inventory's 2x2 crafting grid. Place all 3 wheat items in a single horizontal row across any of the crafting slots. This simple arrangement will instantly yield 1 fresh loaf of bread for you to enjoy. Now that you have your freshly baked bread, it is time to put it to good use. Bread is an excellent food source in the game, restoring 5 hunger points when consumed. To eat it, simply hold the bread in your hand and right-click. It is a fantastic way to keep your hunger bar full, especially in the early stages of your adventure. To ensure a continuous supply of bread, consider setting up a wheat farm. Plant wheat seeds on tilled dirt blocks that are adjacent to water. Wheat grows faster with sufficient light and water, so make sure your farm is well lit. When the wheat is fully grown, harvest it to get more wheat and seeds for replanting, creating an endless cycle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.